Method 1, wrapping from top to bottom. This just entails starting your belly wrapping directly under your bust and then taking it downwards. Personally, I believe this method is best for ladies who do not have a lower tummy or what you call the mommy apron. I'll show you why in the next clip. It's easy to start from top to bottom, but I believe starting this way doesn't help you focus enough pressure on your lower tummy, which some people might prefer to do. Your hand, but there's something in the sunset. Method 2, wrapping from bottom up, means that you are starting from your lower abdomen and taking it up. This method helps you focus more on your lower abs, and you can even pull up your mommy apron into the belt before you tighten it. This method gives a lot more pressure on your lower abdomen, and if you do have a mommy apron that you want gone, then you'd best to consider using this method.